Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you exactly how to make yourself feel sick. If you are anything like me, then you will certainly enjoy being sick. If you were wondering, yes, I am sick and I couldn't be happier. So I've got what is called a cold. It's where like the nose is like quite blocked, so it's hard to like sniff and stuff. So if you want to like get a cold, then it might be worth just going outside somewhere, like maybe finding some germs on the floor and then just like rubbing your nose like up and down like that on the floor, or maybe in the air. If there's germs in the air, just rub your nose on the germs. Make sure you get the germs really deep inside your nose cavities, and then you should hopefully get a cold at the end of it. If you don't get a cold, you might have to try elsewhere. Perhaps try finding some like bacteria if there's no germs around, or like what other ones, like virus. Try and find a virus or something, I don't know. And then sooner or later you will get yourself a cold. But like there's other ways to make yourself sick too. It's not just the cold. Like you could get a cough, like like that. You can get a cough from like other people, so just spend a lot of time around other people, particularly if you notice that they're coughing. You might want to get right up into their face and then just like breathe in the cough. Try and breathe in their cough. If they're coughing away from you, try and move towards them, and then you'll want to absorb as much of their cough as possible. It's not just coughs or colds that you can get to make yourself sick. You can eat too much, for example, or just eat really unhealthily. Like I get sick all the time, believe it or not. Mainly from like eating just really unhealthily. So if that's something that you want to pursue, then I would recommend finding like the greasiest, most unhealthiest foods possible. Don't have vitamins or nutrition or anything that's remotely healthy, because that will just like hinder your progress towards becoming really sick. So just stick with like the deep fried foods, the sugars. That's always useful, and the saturates, go with them. I'd recommend that. Also, if you're over the legal age, then I would recommend drinking alcohol, providing it is legal in your country, and just going hell for leather with that. Not only do you get like drunk from it, but afterwards you get like a hangover the following day, so that's like a form of sickness as well. So that's something I would also recommend. There's other options you could try too, like cigarettes. I don't actually smoke myself because the feelings from getting a cold is sufficient for me. But perhaps in the future, if I just want to go crazy and get absolutely ill, then maybe I'll start smoking as well. I would just like to mention though that if you are intending to make yourself really sick, then please ensure that you have like a book or newspaper with you. Otherwise you might get bored. As great as it is being sick, you're often like confined to like a room, so just make sure that you have something to occupy yourself with. So that has been the best ways that you can make yourself sick yourself. Please remember to make yourself sick responsibly. I'm going to go off now and eat a 2-month-old alcoholic pizza. So hopefully I'll be able to join you on the next video. Until next time, see you later.